Hi, my name is Carl Hardy, and I'm from the Quebec City region. I have been teaching English as a second language for 30 years, and I'm a huge advocate for exchanges and the benefits they bring to students. I'd like to take a minute to go through the key roles and responsibilities for those involved in planning an exchange. The group organizer, or GO, is the main coordinator and acts as the exchange group's representative. Although this person is generally responsible for taking care of the details, groups can decide exactly how they'd like to divide up their tasks. Experiences Canada strongly encourages delegating some roles to parents, volunteers, and chaperones. Some groups create a planning committee, and many parents get involved in getting a group meeting and fundraising activities. How you choose to plan your exchange is really up to you. The group organizer is responsible for submitting their exchange learning plan, meaning what their goals are for the exchange. Do they want to practice their second language? Is this a music or school band exchange? A sports exchange? Whatever theme they choose, they must outline their exchange objectives and submit them to Experiences Canada for review. The group organizer is also responsible for the selection of participants and matching the participants with another youth from their twin group. It is always a good idea to take the extra time to pair youth together based on age and common interests. For example, Matthew from Quebec City is 14 years old and plays guitar. His group organizer, with the help of a planning committee, has decided to match him up with Chad, also 14, from Saskatchewan. Chad has also indicated that he enjoys playing guitar. Once the group is successfully twinned, the group organizer will receive access to a secure website on the Experiences Canada, where a number of forms will need to be completed. What makes things easy is that an Experiences Canada representative will keep the group organizer fully informed of each step of the exchange process. Once all forms are submitted, travel arrangements will be made for you. Communication is key for a successful exchange. The staff at Experiences Canada will coordinate a conference call on the onset of the exchange with the group organizer from each side of the exchange. Under the direction of the group organizer, parents and participating youth can choose to take an active role in the planning and organizing of the exchange, such as coming up with an itinerary that is both rich in learning objectives and fun experiences. In addition to paying the travel expenses between the two communities, Experiences Canada is also responsible for ensuring the safety of all participants and working with the group organizers to follow proper policies by providing necessary tools and guidelines to assist in the planning of the exchange. So, if you are curious about how an exchange might benefit your kids, please get in touch at 1-800-387-3832 or email info@experiencescanada.ca. A travel experience of a lifetime awaits you and your group. I can't wait to get you going.